Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create equal with buttons in WordPress. Let's begin. First, open your browser, go to the WordPress website, click on the login button at the top right, select continue with Google so you can access your dashboard. From there, click on edit site over here so you can access the page editor. Then I want you to click on the plus icon over here and manually look up for a button. So this is what we need. You can simply click on it and drag it wherever you want it to be on your page. From there, I want you to select the button over here at the add text. You should now have the option over here on the block section to modify the width settings. We have 25% up until 100%. So choose what's best or what matches your style and preferences. And once done, don't forget to hit save over here to apply those changes immediately. And that's it. You have successfully modified the width buttons in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.